Ngayon lang ako magsa-start ng vlog kasi today nasa office lang ako. Nasa bahay lang ako actually buong araw. Sobrang busy with work. Papunta na rin ako sa jam session namin somewhere in south of Calgary, Walden, which is around 30 to 40 minutes drive. Samahan niyo ulit ako and I'll try to add some clips or videos dun sa jam namin. Alright, so see you later! Hey fam, yun, kakarating lang natin. So nandun yung bahay ni na Jason. May kukunin lang ako sa sasakyan. Then, punta na tayo. Pasok na tayo and let's do the jamming session. Alright, so see you later. What's up, Calgary? Video.
So ready na for the gig tonight.
Yeah,
Ayan.
continuation siya. So kahapon,
Ang plano talaga is i-continue na lang today.
yep, that's
Para
right. Para tuloy-tuloy siya from practice to the actual gig.
Correct.
So,
So,
nakakamiss.
on the way na kami ngayon. Time check, it's 7 p.m. Pero mga 8:30 pa daw yung set nila. Pero kakain muna kami sa Adobo Experience. See you later.
Alright, so see you later, fam. Fam, andito na kami sa venue. Kaka-park lang and kunin na natin si Lianica. Si Davon, nandun na kay Mommy. Ganda ng asawa ko tonight. Laging maganda. Hi, Lian. Okay. Are you ready for Daddy to sing?
Yes.
And you're also going to sing?
Yes.
Opo?
Papa.
Opo. Okay, so see you later, fam. There you go. Adobo Experience in Memorial Drive. Pasok na tayo. Pero may company warranty yan. Decode Band. Thanks for inviting us. Hey fam, dito na kami. Ayan, family ni Dwayne. Thank you. Kuya. The Decode Band.
One more.
Alright. Kain lang muna.
Adobo Experience again. Malapag na mo kayo dyan. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. In the sneakers, down the street, every question, like children often do. They say, tell me what your thoughts are. Tell me. init ang kulimlim. Kapanangyayan lang sa bawat nilalang magising ang lupang kulang sa dilim. Ikaw ang magsasabi sa panalangin sa gitna ng bagyo. Tumitig at masindig, liwanag, liwanag sa talim. Ikaw, pagiging ang bago na ulitin. Ikaw ang liwanag, Dylan Jason.
Hi! Tinigo! Picture! Bye, Adobo Experience. Thank you for tonight. We're going home. Successful?
Done.
Yes. At antok na po ang mga kids.
Basta ang feeling mo masaya. That's it.
Yeah. And heading back home na po ang Alba Fam. Late at night na.
12 na, 12 a.m.
Yeah, time check 12 midnight. See you later.
And there you have it. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog namin last night. Hindi na kami nakapag-closing kasi sobrang late na kami nakauwi. Around 12:30 na ata kami dumating ng bahay. Sobrang saya. Syempre, ganun naman talaga ang buhay Canada. Work, with the kids. So, ayun lang yung gimmick namin. Actually, kasama din ng mga kiddos namin doon sa bar. Thank you very much. Pamilya namin yan dito sa Calgary. Sina Ate Maricel, Kuya Nelson, Ate Ana, Kuya Jojo, Ate Faye, and of course, the brother, Ikong. Thank you for all the support and salamat sa pagpunta. And to my Arctic Ground bandmates and their wives, Alwin and Emma, Jason and Moira, Dwayne and Joanne, and also Andres na napakabilis umalis. Catch you next time, brothers. Jam ulit tayo. Sobrang saya ng experience. Again, thank you to Decode Band, kay Sir Rand Reyes, and kay JR. Don't worry, sasali kami sa Filipino-Canadian musicians para magkakasama-sama tayo lagi sa mga events. And that's also a non-profit organization that helps communities around Calgary. So, may hobby ka na, nakakatulong ka pa sa ibang tao. And also, to the owner of Adobo Experience, Sir Ronald, thank you so much for having us. Gagawa kami ng isang set or dalawang set ng medyo mahaba-haba naman ang tugtugan namin the next time. And to our subscribers that really comment and follow us and watches us every day or as much as they can. Thank you to Benji Oris. Meron din siyang YouTube channel. Follow him. Tropang Canadian. Magaganda din yung mga videos niya. And also to Jerome Mendoza. Thank you, bro, for always supporting us and commenting. Salamat at ingat kayo dyan sa Japan. Hopefully, magkita tayo dyan this October. So, that's all for today's vlog. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo lahat. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is Lawrence from Alba Fam Bam, signing out and hang loose.